Freaking fucking syg video.
This is a cormorant. It's a fish-eating bird that patrols the sea, lakes, and streams every single day. Because it has no natural enemies, the numbers suddenly went from just a few to thousands of cormorants. The latest study by Aarhus University shows that there was over 60,000 of cormorants in Denmark back in 2022. Each cormorant consumes half a kilo of fish per day, which corresponds to 30 tons of fish every single day. The fish are dying, so I thought, what can I do? I called a man who has connections to the Ministry of the Environment in Denmark and told him I want to help. He offered me an exclusive permission to go hunting for the protected bird in Skjern, where the salmon have now begun spawning and the cormorants are feasting on the fry in peace. Or so they thought. Get all loaded up and then we go down there, set up the decoys and get the hide set up clean. Yeah, see if we can shoot some birds.
Freaking fucking syg video, Grille.
Not all dead yet.
Kommer ind her, John. Er det skarv?
Nej, det går. Jo, der er skarv. Ja, Kalle. Sådan, mand.
Har du lavet en 180, så du det, John?
Godt, Kalle. Filmer du det?
Ja, ja.
Godt.
Jeg lavede en 180 spin.
Hæft, man. Så du det der, den landte, der var sat med fjer?
Ja, nej, det så jeg ikke.
Fuck, det var fedt.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah. Beautiful bird. Awesome. Beautiful bird. Oh my god.
Look at that. Magnificent. Oh my god. So beautiful. Godt set, far. Okay, there's just no cormorants at all. So I think I'm gonna pack my stuff and then I'm gonna go way over there across the train station and then go for a walk in the park. See if I can get a cormorant. There's a lot of them over there, but there's just people, so it's just have to be careful. But the people here are very supportive whatsoever, so shouldn't be a problem.
Falden skal have en mere.
Are you catching anything? Small ones? Yeah, okay.
In my country, they are something special, you know.
Yeah,
If you
okay.
catch, you are very happy, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just out hunting. See if I can shoot some.
Ducks?
No, not ducks. This one, it eats the fish.
Ah, this motherfucker, yeah.
Yeah, I'm shooting those. That's why I try to get rid of the cormorants because they eat the small fish.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's why I got the permission to hunt here. Otherwise, I'm not allowed. It's illegal. But if you have permission by the government,
Okay.
you can go hunting here.
Ah, okay.
Enjoy.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. It's too far. Hej. Så er der blevet massakreret. Fuldstændig. Og der er blevet taget af ræven. Så vi bare prøve at se, om vi kan komme ud. Der kommer også skarv her. For langt væk. Ja. Den der ikke. Han dykkede igen. Skal jeg finde en gren til dig, John? Ja, den har en pæn fjer også. Pæn
Den er-
hoved også. Den er lidt mere detaljeret. Den er knap så gul i hovedet, men hvor meget blod på hænderne nu. Hej.
Hej. Regulerer I salg?
Ja, vi gør nemlig.
Ja.
Jeg fik lige en enkelt her.
Det er ellers en flot fugl.
Ja, en flot
Den
fugl.
ligger der.
Altså, der er jo ikke noget... Altså, folk de hader den jo bare, fordi den er så god til det, den gør jo.
Ja, den tager vores fisk.
Men den tager nemlig laksene.
Kan jeg lukke dig til at strække en vinge ud?
Ja da.
Den er meget nysgerrig, så
Det er sjovt med de der fjer. Prøv at se, den er jo ikke helt sort, den er jo brun også.
Det er jo en rigtig fin fugl.
ja.
Problemet er bare, at den har ikke nogen naturlige fjender.
Ja.
Tak for det.
Ja, værsgo. Værsgo.
Godt, bare hold på med det lort der.
Godt.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any ideas on what I need to do in the next video, please leave a comment down below. And if you did like the video, please consider to give it a like. And I will see you in the next one. Peace!